Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation and this example based on large number. So here you can see the answer is not 0. So when we will get the answer 0? When we simplify 25, 20 minus 20 is 0 divided by 10 and 25 0 divided 10 is 0 and is equal to 0. So this is the wrong method. So how to find the exact solution? Here see 25. First of all, we simplify the division. Inside the bracket 20 divided 10 is 2. Okay, so here write the 2 and 25 20 minus 2 is 18. Okay, so 25 multiply 18 is equal to 25 multiply 18 is equal to 450. 450 is right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.